Homogeneous ESD, electrostatic discharge, flooring tiles are crafted as a single layer of material, providing consistent ESD protection throughout the entire tile. They're ideal for industries and environments requiring stringent static control and offer various advantages. Consistent ESD performance. Since the material is homogeneous, the conductivity is uniform across the ESD tile's thickness, ensuring lasting and reliable ESD protection even if the surface layer wears down. Long-lasting ESD properties. Unlike multi-layered options, homogeneous static tiles retain their anti-static properties throughout their lifespan, providing reliable static control for sensitive environments. Enhanced durability. These ESD vinyl tiles are designed to withstand heavy traffic and mechanical stresses, and resist scuffs, scratches, and chemicals. They require only minimal maintenance to preserve both their aesthetics and functionality. Investment value. With durability and long-lasting ESD functionality, homogeneous ESD tiles are a cost-effective choice, reducing the need for frequent replacements or maintenance. Overall, homogeneous anti-static flooring tiles are an ideal solution for a wide range of industries and environments. They are especially crucial where electrostatic discharge control is essential, such as in electronics manufacturing facilities, data centers, and certain medical settings.